Minecraft sheep. Pink sheep. Very rare. Let's draw a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So eyes, right? Square-ish. Kind of curvy a little bit. We'll go up and across. You can add the eyelashes if you like. We'll just get the basic shape in. Down like so. And then around here. So they're nearly square. They're not completely square. Might be a bit of a tear duct sort of area in there. We have an eyelid line. Going around like so. And maybe a little one on the bottom. Square brown iris. So they're kind of its eyes are like looking in different directions, which just makes it funnier. And then we have this like square or rectangle shaped pupil there, and I'll just go black inside. If you want to do the eyelashes, you can. You know, you could do. I'd have to do them black, but they are white in the show or in the movie. So maybe we'll do them this way, just more sort of traditional eyelashes. They kind of hang down if you wanted to do them that way, though. I'll just do them like that. The other eye, across here, you're about an eye width, right? Like the full size of that eye over. And then we go that way. This eye might be a little bit smaller just because the head is turned away from us. And if you want some eyelashes there, you can. Box-like. It's about 3/4 the size of the other one. See, it's a little bit smaller because head is turned. And this eye is going the other direction, so it's like looking up. Okay, so very sort of boggly-eyed. One eye looking at you, but the other one is looking for you. So I don't know if that's just an Irish thing that people say. He's got one eye looking at you, one eye looking for you. Sorry, it's just funny. It's funny to me. Top eyelid line here, and then this goes around like so. And there's like some furry sort of brow kind of areas in here, like frowns and stuff. So then we got that box-like snout sort of coming down here. You know, lightly just coming across because it's kind of hairy. And then we go around to the mouth. And then the nostrils, just these very angled, pointy nostrils. You could darken them up just to give them a bit of shadow on the inside. And I think this kind of points in like an arrow sort of here, you know, sort of down the middle. Kinda like that. Chin. And this chin is kind of hairy, so you could add some fur if you wanted. Like a little sort of beard or sketchy hairy line. Right, so we got like pink fur around a pale pink sort of face, right? So see, like it's kind of all sketchy and hairy, and it goes around real square around the eyes, right? Woolly sheep. Down to the corner of the mouth, sort of. Okay, and then the box-like head, and again, it's woolly, fluffy, like a cloud. And this one kind of comes out a bit further on this side. And there might be like a little chin section or something, just like an extra little woolly layer just here. Not sure really what it would be called, but there's just an extra square there. Right, and this keeps going. Around, kind of comes down here, and then we get the ear just sticking out the side. And there's more sort of fur in here, and then the inside of the ear. And then his head keeps going back that way. Kind of joins his neck or something down here. Other ear sticks off this way. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. Okay, so body, square body, everything square. And so we'll just do big bumpy fluffy line for the back. And it's just kind of like, might have some little spikes every now and then sticking off for hair, but you could just go fluffy cotton ball if you wanted. You don't have to do the spikes. We got like the hind leg and then a bit of the belly, say like a shoulder joint here and another leg then. Then the next leg like that. And he has like a little chest fur area. And just some textures if you wanted, just to make them look a bit woolly. Like so. Hooves. So biggest one, kind of pale, smoother, not as woolly. So it is hairy, but you know, it's not real woolly. And then black round hooves then. 2 toes sort of. Then this one in behind, same shape again, just in behind the first one. Two more. So big one at the front. like that. Last one. Boom, boom. And no tail. No tail that we can see anyway. Minecraft sheep. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.